So you're going to start off by holding the deck like so, with your thumb here and index over here, and you're going to use your position your right hand like so, and break the packet, keeping the center packet relatively larger. Now twist this packet and clip it between these two fingers, the middle and index. Okay, so you're basically doing this. Okay, and then you're going to grip this packet with your pinky and break it. Okay, and you're going to place your thumb here at the top packet, twist it like so, and you're going to twist it more and place your right index on top like so over here, and you can use your right middle to hold on to the packet right over here so this packet doesn't fall off. And you're going to contact this corner of the packet from your left thumb to your right thumb like so. So now you're holding these packets in your right hand like so, and now you're going to pivot this packet that's on your middle finger back and twist it like so, flip it over, place it over here on your right thumb. So now you're holding this packet on your pinky, and now you're going to place your left thumb over here. Okay, strip this packet out, and you're going to clip this bottom of the packet by placing it on your right middle and placing your index on top. And now you're going to basically clip this packet from here and allow it to slide like so. When you're sliding this front packet, the back packet will automatically slide on the back packet, the one in your right hand. So this is what it's supposed to look like in motion. Okay, now for closure, you're going to contact these two fingers like so, and from here you're going to contact over here to close these packets. Now what I do from here is pivot this packet from my thumb to my left pinky like so, and I move this packet around and place it on top. Now I'll do it in full motion. This grip.